Oliviero. Goodbye to everybody. Let me first say welcome to our Chinese friends, Mr. Lu and Mr. Song from Shenzhen. I think that we don't need to say anything more than just looking around to understand how shipping, logistics and transport have changed the last 10 years. I think that 10 or 15 years ago this situation was almost unconceivable. Today we can really say that the shipping community is a global one. We are one single village and we try to cooperate and to share our efforts in order to foster, to increase well-being in our countries. We had in Italy the visit of Chinese President Xi Jinping on the 23rd of March. It was in the context of the Belt and Road initiative. We signed the bilateral agreement and other Western European countries has already followed, like Switzerland. So we can say that the Belt and Road initiative has finally arrived even in Western Europe. At that time, we also signed a memorandum of understanding with a Chinese company, and a few weeks later, we are here today in Munich to sign an agreement with the Port of Shenzhen. I am very happy to sign this agreement, and I will say just a couple of words to explain why we did decide to come here today and to have this signature. Between the Port of Genoa and the Port of Shenzhen, we have several similarities. We are, of course, of a different size because everything in China is of another size. But two very important ports in our two countries. We are two very important gateway ports, and we have two very big and strong industrial areas beneath our ports. We are connected, the Port of Genoa and the Port of Shenzhen, to very important logistic areas, so we share opportunities and problems and challenges. We have to cope with congestion, we have to cope with intermodality, but we know, and that's my final remark, that the Belt and Road Initiative is one way to understand from each other, try to gain, to reap the benefits of a real cooperation for Chinese companies in Europe, Genoa, northern Italy, in Europe, and for Italian companies in the area of Shenzhen, in China, and in the Far East. We really need to increase trade between these two areas, and we are very optimistic that we will succeed, and today is a concrete sign toward this direction. Thank you very much.